Today we're looking at a Land Rover LR3, and it was in fluid. And as you can see, we replaced this little T-valve. They didn't know where they were losing fluid at, but as you can see, because the cover is on, they wasn't able to see where the fluid was being lost in the coolant. They just know they was keep having to add coolant to the reservoir because the light is cutting on low fluid, add coolant. So as you can see, this little T-valve, and we refilled it, replaced the T-valve. We did a flush on it, replaced the T-valve, filled it back with fluids, and now we're waiting on this to bleed. As you can see, it's bleeding now, so that's how you know it has gotten full. So I tighten that back. Hand tighten is good. You don't want it too tight. Come back. Open it slowly. You don't want it to bubble over. And you can see it's still releasing air bubbles. I'm gonna finish letting it releasing air bubbles. Some people use the suction, but suction is good. It sometimes will let the leak is at. Heater's blowing hot. I'm gonna clean this baby up, detail it, get it back to the customer. Thank you for looking at the Royal Fam. Going live on a Range Rover, fixing your cooling problems. Peace.